This model is for BMW 5 Series E60. The original car is CCC16. It is anti-reflection screen with latest ID7 interface. Now let us take a look for the details. Navigation. You can choose the navigation map here. For example, Google Map. Double click it and click OK, and it will get into the Google Maps. It also supports Waze, Citric, and iGo Map, and any other kind of navigation map. Bluetooth. After you connect the Bluetooth, it can load the contacts from your phone. It also supports the Bluetooth music, type, call list, phone list, Bluetooth setting here, Bluetooth music. Music. You can play the music here. The music comes from the SD card, USB, or local memory. Video. Same as the music, you can play the video from SD card, USB, or local memory. The video supports PIP function, which it is picture-in-picture functions. You can see here. Okay. Car info. It will show the original car menu. Dashboard. It will show three kinds of dashboard here. You can change the here. Sport mode, engine saving mode, comfort mode. On the side, you can set here setting. Language setting, you can add a lot of language here. Time, audio. There are a lot of options here. Setting for the camera brightness here. Battery setting. The password is 1314. Click OK. Then it will get into the factory interface. A lot of setting here. Now this model is ID7. You can choose the ID6 if you like, or ID5 here. After choose it and restart the unit, then will be OK. Boot logo, car type. This model is for E60 with CCC16. So it chose this one. Okay. More setting. 16 setting. It's Android 9.0, 2G IM, and 32G ROM. You can order more higher configuration. For example, 4G RAM or 64 ROM. That's okay. Apps here. You can install a lot of apps from Play Store or Android Market. Okay. Thank you.